Pop their bubbles.
Is he having a bath? He's thinking he might want to play in that water, huh?
Are you having fun?
Are you going to splash some more? He says I throw the water out. See, it just took him 6 months and he found the joy of baths, huh?
You got Noni.
Don't splash too much, Coley.
You got Noni.
No,
No,
Coley.
you're making a mess. Not in Mama's wine.
Yeah, he looks at me like, yeah, I don't know that I'd want to do that. And Molly's certificate. Okay, Cole, you don't need to help.
Let him play. Oh, no eating. No eating. That's a little soapy.
Then we'll have bubble farts. Yeah.
Was that fun?
Cole says, oh, that'd be awesome. Is it funny?
Jeez, I'm reaching for the deep end. I'm reaching for the deep end.
So
Yeah,
cute.
you're getting wet. Pull your shirt up. There you go. That side too. Nobody's trying to hang on to him.
We're going to have to move up to a bathtub soon. He's going to get too wet down here. Come, Mr. E.
I don't want to reach over. I could put him in the deep end.
He doesn't sit well in the deep end.
He doesn't?
No. The only reason he's sitting there is because there's that little...
No.
There's
You're
that little
making a
ledge.
mess.
Cole. You're next, Coley. Your bath time is next.